today we are making honey peanut glazed chicken wings. I will write the recipe below the video in the description as always. Let's do this. Oh yeah, mate! Woo! Welcome to Aussie Girl Can Cook. Better get you some. Oh yeah! Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow! G'day lovelies, welcome back. Okay, first up we're going to do the marinade. So we need a really large bowl, half a cup of water, 3/4 of a cup of smooth peanut butter or peanut paste, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of dried coriander, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of sweet chili sauce, and we want 2 cloves of garlic crushed or 2 heaped teaspoons of jar garlic. Now we just want to take our time and whisk them all through together. Oh, that smells so good. Alright, once we've done that, we'll set it aside for a minute. Now we need between 2 and 2.5 kilo of chicken wings. I bought these from Coles. The 2 kilo bag was $9. Okay, now we want to get our wings, spread them out. On the joints, we want to cut them, preferably with a sharp knife. Now, the wing tips are really good for dogs and cats. If you really like them, you can still chuck them in as well. Some people like gnawing on them. Alright, then through the next joint. Like so, and then we chuck them into our marinade mix and keep going. Okay, now once we've done that, we just want to mix them through and get them all coated. Mate, that smells so good. Alright, now they're completely coated, we want to cover it in Glad wrap and stick it in the fridge. Minimum of 3 hours to overnight. Okay, when we're ready to start cooking, we want to preheat our oven at 190 degrees Celsius. We want to make sure our oven is up to the 190 before we put our chicken in. We're going to need a baking tray with some form of rack over the top. So I'm going to be using my cooling rack. Alright, now we want to put our chicken on. I'm going to lay them out with the bigger ones on the outside and the littler ones on the inside. Alright, so I used 2 kilo of chicken and I managed to squeeze it all on there. So what I want to do is just get a spoon and get the leftover marinade that's on there. And I'm just going to get it and put it all over it all. Alright, now it's all coated beautifully. So as soon as the oven is hot enough, I will bang it in there. And in about half an hour, I'll give it a look and see how they are going. Now, if you were going to do this with chicken legs, I would turn the temperature down to 180 and you're going to cook them for a lot longer. 40 minutes later in my plain electric oven, and mate, she smells so good in here, it should be illegal. Don't you just love things that cook themselves? Well, there you have it, lovelies. Honey peanut chicken wings. Mate, you have got to give them a crack. They are ridiculously moreish. You can serve them with salad. You can serve them with veggies. You can serve them on their own for the footy. Have a little get together with friends for a little drinky poo. Oh, mwah! Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome weekend and I'll see you all on Monday. Toodles.